Mobile check deposit and how. You can use this method too. Deposit checks on any bank. Let's say you have a check in hand that needs to be deposited. Instead of physically visiting your bank during their opening hours, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Here's how. 1. Open the banking app on your phone. 2. Click on the deposit option, which is usually visible at the bottom of the screen. 3. Select check as the type of deposit you want to make. 4. Now it's time for the fun part, scanning your check. Place your check flat on a surface, ensuring good lighting near a window or other natural light source. Carefully align four corners of the check with the squares on your phone screen for a successful scan. If everything looks good, go ahead and click continue. 5. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and ensure it matches the amount on your check for accuracy. If all looks good, click confirm. The app will then request you to enter your social security number for security purposes and send you a verification code via text message or email if it's your first time using mobile deposit with that particular bank account, or if there are any changes from previous transactions changing name or account number. Leo. Finally, submit your check. Voila! Your check has been successfully deposited without leaving the comfort of your home or office, even in your pajamas if you want. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to use mobile check deposit on any bank using this method. I hope you found this information useful and helpful. Remember to hit that like button and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more informative content like this one. Until next time, take care and happy banking.